Chevrolet! This is a really long story, but we'll try and make it real sweet. I got the battery charger on. This is a junk S10 plow truck with a rotten front suspension, and this truck is rotten. And I tried to start it yesterday and it wouldn't start up. So, let's turn the key this morning. This thing's got no brakes, no nothing. It's just got a good low mileage motor. I'm gonna try crank this baby up, see if it cranks up and starts. Ready? It likes to run backwards. What's weird is it seems to fire when you release the key, which is a problem I had with the Ford 10 years ago. So there's a run problem with the wiring. Only starts when you let the key off. Crank her up! Poof. Oh man. I'm gonna try and floor it so it clears out the fuel, doesn't pump more in. Crank her up! Poof. Oh man. Smell the gas. Crank that baby up. Junk.
Are you sure it was in here before?
Junk. Nope.
But you said that was a good engine.
It is.
It sounds like a good engine. I'm just picking.
I think it's got a problem where it only starts when you release the key.
Oh.
It doesn't get power to the coils when it's cranking, so it's really annoying, but just wanted to move it. I got so much junk in here. Junk, junk, junk. I wish I could use my Suburban, but I can't until I find a body shop that I can trust because of the rust at the bottom of the windshield. And I was sandblasting it and I went, whoop, a little too far. All right, I gotta speak to Spike Punk and find out how to get it to get power when it's cranking, not just when it's in the run position.